Samsung A35, recently launched for users who want to experience Samsung features without breaking the bank. But are you interested in it? Let's review what it offers. In the Galaxy A35 box, you'll find the SIM ejector, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, the user guide, and the smartphone itself. That's it. The design of the Galaxy A35 follows Samsung's typical style that you've likely seen in other Samsung smartphones. The Galaxy A35 features a glass back and a plastic flat frame. Notably, around the power and volume buttons, there's a slight bump that Samsung refers to as the key island. The Galaxy A35 has 3 microphones, 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top, even though there's only one stereo speaker at the bottom. While playing, any audio sound also comes out from the top, so it's like having 2 speakers. At the top, there's a slot for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card, but you can't use both SIM cards and an SD card at the same time. Also, the phone can resist water and dust because it has an IP67 rating. And last but not least, it has in-display fingerprint sensor, which is quite responsive. The Samsung A35 features a 6.6-inch 120Hz 1080p Super AMOLED display with 1000 nits of peak brightness. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, making it strong and durable. Overall, the display is great, showing content well with clear images, vivid colors, and good contrast. However, some may notice that the bezels could be smaller, but it's still a good display. The Galaxy A35 comes with an Exynos 1380 processor. The base variant has 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, while it goes up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. In terms of performance, it handles everyday tasks easily, with smooth animations and no problems during daily use. However, if we talk about gaming, keep in mind that this is not a gaming phone. You can play games at decent graphics, but it's not designed specifically for gaming. It runs on Android 14 and Samsung's latest update, One UI 6.1, providing users with a flagship-level experience. Samsung promises 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates, ensuring long-term support for the device. The Galaxy A35 features a triple camera setup. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. You can shoot videos in 4000 resolution at 30 frames per second, but sticking to 1080p at 60 frames per second may provide a better result. The front camera is 13 megapixels. The phone offers various camera modes such as portrait, night mode, pro mode for both videos and photos, hyperlapse, macro, food, slow motion, and more. Pictures taken with the main camera are good, but they may not be as contrasty and vivid as those from other smartphones in the same price range. And you can get this smartphone for under $300. That's it. Thanks for watching.